Welcome to Best Electronics. Foldable helicopter drone EACHINE. Features. Brand name, EACHINE. Type, helicopter. Features, remote control. Remote distance, 80 to 100 meters. Control channels, 4 channels. Action time, 7 to 9 mins. Motor, brush motor. Controller battery, 3x 1.5 AA battery. Charging time, 60 to 70 mins. Material, plastic, carbon fiber, metal. Function, up-down, forward-backward, turn left-right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, LED light, headless mode, 1-key automatic return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV. Visit the description link and get this product from AliExpress. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. And please share this video with your friends and family.